In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Subnautica game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into the store page, go ahead and click on the search box. Now just type in Subnautica to begin your search, and once you find the game, you can click on it. This will now take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. When you click on View My Card, you can continue towards your payment using your preferred method. Use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods within the drop-down menu. Enter your credentials and your billing information. You can save this for future use as well. So once you complete your transaction, you will find the game within your library. After you choose your install location, you can begin the download and installation of the game. Once it is completed, you may start enjoying the Subnautica game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Subnautica on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.